Hi guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumb up. Let's get started, shall we? Hi guys, today I'm going to unbox my Valentine gift from Hobby with you guys. I'm going to unbox it with you. So this Valentine, usually we don't celebrate Valentines, but this Valentine, it just happened he bought me something in Valentine time. So yeah, so I'm really excited. I got a gift from da 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 ba, 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 Cartier. Yay, hooray! From Cartier. And this is the Cartier bag. As you can see, it's so cute and lovely. It has this, I don't know, red maroonish color, and it got those lovely ribbon here, the lovely ribbons over here and over there as well. And this is the things I got with it. So first the item, and this is their packaging. I don't know why they didn't put the ribbon, so yeah. So this is the item. It's nicely sealed with the Cartier logo over here, and the other side as well, which is very pretty, neat, white, solid white. Look at this wrap. So yep, I'm really excited to unbox that with you guys. And with it I got the cleaning kit, which they didn't give him straight away. He has to ask for it, and they're like, yeah, and he said, I'm regular customer here, I always come and buy stuff from here, so hello. And this is the cleaning kit, and it has the lotion for jewelry and watches. This is the lotion for jewelry and watches. It's just like that in it. And it has the cloth for polishing, I think, and it has like a toothbrush, like a brush to just go through, just to clean it nicely. And that's all in here. If guys, if you go to Cartier and you make like you buy stuff from there, if they not giving this, I mean, like, if you buy something, you ask for this. If they say they don't have, just say when it will be available, I'll come and collect it. So just don't like simply say, oh okay, never mind, I don't want. Take it. It's really great for clean all your jewelry. It's not only Cartier. It's amazing. It's very nice. This is my second box. I did before I did a boxing for another, for this necklace. So yes, and I got that time I got cleaning kit. I also asked for it, so don't hesitate to ask for the things. Yeah. And oopsie, it fell down. And I got the pouch. When I bought this one, I got different pouch. When I bought this one, different pouch. Anyway, so here, small pouch for the, and it's like not velvety, but kind of like microfiber, something like that, I think. And here it's Cartier, and just like lovely cute pouch for traveling. Definitely if you travel a lot, this will be great. And definitely the Cartier certificate. Okay, so this is the envelope, and here Cartier, and then okay, here the certificate with the code and date and the signature and stamp. Yeah. And from the outside, this is how it looks. Cartier from the front, in the middle here, and at the back Cartier down here. So yeah, at this time I asked for everything, like even this cover I asked for it. They are not given sometimes, I don't know why. They just put it in the envelope and done. And I was like, hello, everyone has that cover, why I'm not getting it? Why you don't want to give me? I bought so many things from you, duh. So yeah guys, here are the items. I'm so excited. So let's unbox that. I'm really sorry guys, my camera just went off, so I unboxed the item already without me knowing the camera was like off. So sorry guys, and let's see what I got. Thank you. Here the box, Cartier, very like whatever, solid box, and just remove that and you get the real box. and there it is. You just press down here. It's amazing. I'm in love with it. This is Cartier Justin Clue necklace with diamonds in here, there, and little bit diamonds there. Let me take it out. It'll be easier to show you guys. I have diamond here and on the this side and here. It's amazing. And I asked them to extend, like I told my husband, can you please extend it so I can layer it with those two. Then they told if for extension you need to pay, and I was like, no. As far as I know from all the YouTube, which is like YouTube is really, these reviews about luxury things are really helpful. So I said, I watched so many videos to husband and everything, and they say they'll extend for free. They do free extension. Why they asking now to pay for it, to extend it? I don't get it. Then he said, then I tell them it's you, as far as you know it's free, and he told it's free. As far as he know it's free to extend. Then they're like, oh yeah, it's okay, let me check out the manager, blah blah blah. And then later came to know it's free. And they said it will take 10 days, and he said, no, I don't have 10 days, I'm flying. So within 3 days. And they did it really within 3 days. Like, those things are bullshit what they say over there. By the way, we got this from Bangkok, because where I live, the country where I live, they don't have Cartier. So yes. So yes guys, I extended, and here, like, let me show you, because my top is distracting with all the prints in it. So yeah, you have 2 loops here and here, and they extend it like the chain here, like no extra loop. So yes, they extended like 1 inch or 2, I think, like that, for free guys, for free. If they ask for money, tell them no. As far as you guys know, it's free. Just tell them it's free, written and everywhere saying they're free. Why you guys want to charge for it? I don't know, another, I don't know, $300 or something. I know, I'm not. It's so pretty. I'm so in love with those 3. They all Cartier. Actually, I got this one, and like 2 weeks back, and then I got this one. Like, actually bought this too for Valentine, but he gave me this one first, then this one gave me for Valentine, and I'm just so in love. And this is for our anniversary, I think I got it. I'm so in love. They look so amazing and stunning together. So yeah guys, I don't know how many diamonds there, I just need to check that. Okay, they look stunning together. If you guys want like a review and wear and tear on this necklace, because I've been wearing it for like, I would say 7-8 months now. I got it in June or May 2018. So yeah, and now we are like February 2019. So if you guys want a review on this one and wear and tear and everything, let me know. But I'm in love with this 3 amazing necklaces. They are stunning, like they're gorgeous. Yeah guys, and that's all. I forgot to tell you guys, oopsie, sorry, I forgot to tell you, I also got some perfume samples, like 3 perfume samples of this, I don't know, Cartier Lino or something. I got 3 of it, so it's nice to try. They're what is this, fragrance, their perfumes. I'm really excited. And that's all guys. I hope you like this video. If you like, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and if you want me to do more reviews on these necklaces or any other, like my Cartier love rings or anything, I mean love bracelets or anything like that, please let me know. And thank you for watching. Bye. And if you like this video, please subscribe and give it a thumb up.